If you want to know how to check your SEO page rankings with Semrush, then I'm going to walk you through just a quick and easy way to do this. First of all, you need an account. If you don't already have an account for Semrush, then I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a trial, be able to use all these different features and everything for free. And then once you're in your account, you're going to want to use this top bar here with the URL, or at least that's how I like to do it. So what I'll do is I'll come here to Google, do a search for something like plumber near me, or plumbers in a specific area, something to that effect, assuming we're doing this for a plumbing company, right? Then I'll scroll past all the ads, past the maps listings, past the directories like Yelp, and then we start to see Parker and Sons, Bumblebee Plumbing, Ben Franklin Plumbing. This one looks kind of interesting. Ben Franklin Plumbing. So I'm just going to grab their URL here, paste this in. This is a specific page on their website, so it's their Plumber Scottsdale page. Does not look like it's showing any rankings, which is kind of funny because we are seeing it it's probably not going to, we probably need to do something like plumber. Yeah, we can do best plumber in Scottsdale, that's fine. I mean, the whole idea is you want to try to find, the most searched terms like plumbers in Scottsdale, something like that, or Phoenix. Okay, so now we see Parker and Sons, Scottsdale Plumbing, that looks kind of interesting. So we could check the rankings for this entire website by putting the whole website in like this. And by default, it's actually going to start out with the domain overview here. So when you first put the URL in the top, it's going to start you with this domain overview. And then you should see where it says organic search traffic and then it says keywords right here. If we open up this page where it says keywords, that's where we are going to see the list of keywords that they're currently ranking for. So we have the position that they're ranked in, so position 14, 78, so on and so forth. And then we have the traffic that they're expected to be getting, the search volume, percentage of their traffic that's coming from these keywords. So it's giving us a breakdown. We can essentially see which pages are ranking and from SEO that they're doing on their website. So that's one website. We can basically do the same thing for this other one here. It looks like this is their Scottsdale page. So if we wanted to check a specific page, you can just put the page URL into the search bar up here and click search. Then it will give us the rankings for that page specifically, right? And so we can see that in position 5, water heater repair Scottsdale, position 6, water heater repair Scottsdale AZ, best plumbers in Scottsdale, position 3, plumbers in Scottsdale, position 2, right? So they're actually ranked pretty well. Super helpful to be able to see, even if this is your website, you can quickly and easily see your rankings for a specific page on your site. You can check your entire website. Excuse me. And you can check your competitors, which is probably the most fun part, right? Being able to spy on what your competitors are doing and what pages they have that are ranking for specific keywords. Looks like they just started getting this page ranked. We're seeing this kind of just start to pick up here in this graph. The last 12 months, it's looked like they've only ranked for a couple months here. And they only have like a couple of these that are in a decent ranking spot right now, which makes sense. But that's, from a 500-foot view, that's how you would check your SEO page rankings with Semrush. I hope you did find this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours, and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.